Welcome to Pipeline2Space, P2S. P2S builds space launch systems that carry payloads to space with airline-like flight rates and at a much lower cost than conventional rockets. P2S launches using the mature ram accelerator technology, which is essentially a jet engine in a tube with one moving part, the payload. This incredible velocity comes from compression and combustion of air and simple, clean chemical energy, where the cargo encapsulated inside a slender hypersonic vehicle fairing or pod. At altitude, the payload fairing separates and releases the small first stage boost and payload where it operates in the vacuum of space, where its engine is most efficient. Second stage ignites to finalize the orbit to the satellite's final destination, sun-synchronous, polar, or equatorial. The spacecraft separation system releases the payload at orbit, and like an airline, the Pipeline2Space underground launch system has already recycled and is capable of launching again before the first spacecraft reaches its destination. At Spaceport America in New Mexico, Pipeline2Space's sister company and partner Hyper Sciences began testing a revolutionary new way to deliver payloads to the upper atmosphere. The mission was to fly the Hyperdrone 450, a large hypersonic projectile designed approximately 2 feet in diameter and nearly 9 feet tall for early, low-altitude test flights. The Hypercore engine uses jet engine-like propulsion technology that lofts our capsules of various sizes up to suborbital altitudes, exiting the launch tube at full velocity so the payload is able to reach extreme suborbital altitude in seconds, not minutes. This technology offers something that rockets or other traditional flight vehicles just can't offer, which is instant, on-demand access to the edge of space. Unlike a rocket, which aims to fly the payload and the engine together, we separate the two. Our engine stays on the ground, in fact, underground, and the payload flies alone. It allows us to increase the safety, lower the cost, and decrease the failure rates, making this an incredible aerospace solution. Hypersciences and Pipeline2Space are partners together in space access.